Welcome everyone. In this presentation, we shall talk about customer segmentation, market sizing, and product development of our online dating app called Hiccup. Customer segmentation. The age group of 18 to 30 and any person in this makes them the ideal customer. They should definitely have a Spotify and YouTube account, making it a new segment altogether. Their location definitely changes their outlook, and so does their personality. Market sizing. Assuming that we get 10,000 customers in our launch, we intend to make $0.3 per user per month in ad revenue. And according to stats from other apps, 10% of the users intend to buy the premium app for better and functional use of the app, making the total revenue up to $7,000 for the first initial months. Now, looking at the bigger picture here, 200 million people in the 18 to 30 age group in India itself, and even if 30% of them are single, that gives us $900 million in annual revenue, giving us a $5 billion valuation. And our plan is such: college kids in Mumbai are phase one, people in the age group of 18 to 30 in India are phase two, and then the whole world is phase three. Product development and few milestones. We discovered a problem, we created or thought about the solution, and then we started creating, and what we came up with was Hiccup. Now our early user acquisition when we launched the website was 700 people who pre-registered for the app itself without any marketing. The app is currently ready and completely functional, and the love we have received is insane. Here is our app. And that was it. Thank you for your patience.